Okay, so let's quickly go through the trades we had today on the ER exchange breakout system. We had 4 opportunities, and there were Euro JPY, GBP JPY, Euro CAD, and GBP CAD. And the chart is currently on Euro CAD. You can see the results from today. I had this traded, this GBP NZD was based on another strategy I took a couple of days ago, probably last week. And I closed it out in a loss. That position was, I could have actually left it and made a bit of probably made some money on it. It was, oh no, this was a trade here, so this was my entry, so I would have probably come out at about 45 pips, but I closed it, as it were. So back to what we were looking at, Euro CAD. So today we had the buy opportunity go up. So this was it here, buy opportunity here, and then we took our profit. It was just about 12-13 pips. I actually closed a basket of trades. You can see here 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. So I, based on the basket of trade, I closed the trades and sucked in this profit, this negative here, and we came out profitable for the day. So Euro CAD, profitable trade. GBP CAD, that was also a buy trade, and you can see that was £27.20. So again, it was buy, stop loss at the low of that low there. I didn't use this because this was appeared to be a stronger low, structure level, so stop loss was around there, but then we took our profit on this more than this was over 30 pips on this here, but I took profit before that. Okay, and then we had Euro JPY. Euro JPY, I exited that trade when I took the basket trade quickly, but you can see that trade was a buy trade, and boom boom boom, 62 pips. Nicely done. This is textbook performance on this one. Perfectly done. And GBP JPY, similar, again buy trade, perfectly done, over 70 pips. So nicely done on the ER exchange breakout system today. Please do that. Okay, and that is it really. That's all that happened. That's all that happened today for the ER exchange breakout system. All right, until next time, you take care, stay disciplined, and let's earn some money from the market. Cheers.